Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a rainbow light effect in Minecraft. First, understand that Minecraft does not feature a single item called rainbow light. Instead, we achieve this vibrant display by combining multiple colored blocks with light sources. This guide focuses on using redstone lamps and a spectrum of stained glass to build your colorful creation. It's a fun way to add dynamic lighting to your builds. To begin, you'll need to gather your essential materials. For each distinct color in your rainbow, acquire at least one redstone lamp. Next, collect a variety of stained glass blocks, aiming for a full spectrum like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You'll also need redstone dust, a redstone repeater, and a redstone torch. Finally, grab a simple power source such as a lever or button to bring your colorful creation to life. Now, let's start building your colorful display. Begin by placing your redstone lamps in a line, a square, or any pattern you envision for your rainbow effect. Once your lamps are positioned, carefully place a different color of stained glass directly on top of or in front of each individual redstone lamp. This arrangement will allow the light from the lamps to shine through the colored glass, creating your vibrant spectrum. Finally, it's time to activate your rainbow light display. Connect all your redstone lamps using redstone dust, ensuring a continuous circuit. If your display is large, incorporate a redstone repeater to maintain signal strength. Use a redstone torch and a lever to create a simple on-off switch for your lights. For a truly dynamic effect, consider building a basic redstone clock to make your rainbow colors cycle automatically, adding a mesmerizing touch to your Minecraft world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.